Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we solve the grand quiz of MCM 301. Let us start it. Where does immediacy come from during a presentation? Looking at your notes, standing, dressing with authority, making eye contact. Select which of the following is the practice of altering the tone and or pitch of voice to more clearly express or magnify meaning. Inflection, articulation, pauses, fillers. Itself is probably the most common barrier to effective communication. Language. Which phrase shows the key rule to make a good speech? To keep in mind that audience care most about things that directly affect them, to avoid the audience choices and most about things that directly affect them, centering on the self, to keep in mind that idea that is presented in speech. The characteristics which enables us to distinguish one voice from another is known as pitch. Jumps to conclusion. This is an example of listener barriers. An opinion, condition, value, attitude, or feeling, all of the following characteristics are expressed in which of the following? Thesis statement, subject of the topic, speech topic, references. Mediated communications occurs through letters, reports, forms, and inter-office memoranda. Letters, newspaper and radio, newspapers, books and TV, radio, and wall checking. Which of the following is usually related to environmental factors that affect communication? Physical barriers. Which one of the following refers to the seating arrangement in which people in the audience are seated in rows and columns without tables? Theater style arrangement. Probing is attempting to explain what the sender statement means, attempting to gain additional information, continue the discussion, or clarify a point, attempting to evaluate the credibility of the sender, making a judgment about the worth of sender's statement. A good rule to recall when using statistics is the more statistics, the better the effectiveness. Statistics should include several places past the decimal point for effect. Rounding and using a few key statistics in effectiveness. Rounding and using a few key statistics in generally most effective. Which of the following is not a form of non-verbal communication? A radio interview. Which of the following are the factors involved in non-verbal communication? Appearance, facial expression, eye contrast, gesture, touch, posture, voice, silence, time and space, all of the given option. All of the given options. How can the credibility of a presenter be increased? Being well dressed and well groomed, complimenting the audience, demonstrating your sincerity, all of the given options. Farah was doubtful listening. Empathetic, critical, active, which of the following is the appropriate response to a comment of agreement? Thank you. Articulate speech is characterized by correct pronunciation and clear enunciation, vocal trait combination of pitch and strength, more clearly express or magnify meaning. Correct pronunciation and clear enunciation. The entire following are the main points that are kept in mind while developing thesis, except ambiguity. Which of the following is the skill of speaking in distinct syllables? Articulation. What does limited eye contact signal? Control. When centering on the audience, you start by finding that enable you to identify with them. Common traits. An effective presenter uses pitch changes to indicate a change in the message. At the end of a sentence, raising the pitch signifies which of the following: confess, question. What do we call to the person who transmits the message? Sender. Letters, reports, stakeholder reports, proposals, stakeholder meetings, telephone conversation, and conferences are types of media used by an organization to communicate internally. Which of the following is an interpersonal need to exercise leadership and prove one's abilities? Power. Following are the main categories of feedback: accept, probing. All of the following are the tips to become a better listener: accept, how many purpose your introduction should have. What does frequent eye contact show? Thanks for watching.